A group dedicated to health equity demanding some answers, accountability, and a reinvestment in the area that surrounds Richmond Community Hospital. This comes in the wake of a New York Times article alleging the hospital chain used a poor neighborhood to turn a huge profit. Henry Graff now with the story.
The group is concerned the hospital's prioritizing profits over patients, and now they want a reinvestment of that money into this community. The Richmond Coalition for Health Equity is out with a list of 7 demands. In the petition, the group is calling on the owners of Richmond Community Hospital to take its profits made from the 340B program and spend it on health equity in the city's East End.
What should be a beacon or a model for serving an underserved community, a largely forgotten part of this city, has instead seen its resources siphoned off or put in other parts of our community that are wealthier.
The 340B program deals with drug pricing designed to help hospitals in poor communities. The group, which met for the first time last week, alleges Bon Secours Mercy Health generated remarkable profits from it, and that money is going to other wealthier communities. Over the years, the group says the community hospital has rolled back services, including closing its intensive care unit.
When you're talking about health, seconds count. And for a number of people in this community, you can't go to the emergency room in here and get treated. They have to transport you elsewhere because the services just aren't here.
The group wants an urgent care clinic at the East End Hospital location and quicker work done to complete a 25,000 square foot office building near the hospital campus. The hospital has denied the allegations and has not responded to the latest demands.
At the moment, we have had the opportunity to develop some good ideas, some requests that we're going to put before Bon Secours Mercy Health, and we want to see how they respond.
The group has another meeting now set for December 15th, where they hope to hear from Bon Secours representatives. Meanwhile, the group also not ruling out litigation at this point. On the city's East End, I'm Henry Graff, NBC 12 News.
Thanks.